are offering an integrated MBA, which is a 4-year duration post 12th standard. So that means students start getting into the area of management and both theory and practice right from the year 1, and they complete their MBA course, including the internship practice within 4 years. That means they save a net 1 year. So that's an opportunity benefit for the students, and they get a same MBA degree. So that's one, the design of this program itself starts from that. Innovations which we have done, of course, last 1 year has been, last 1.5 years has been that of pandemic. One key thing which we have done in the university to enable online learning, to support our students and our faculty members, is we have put in place a very, very robust application which we call as Nugget. NU stands for NIT University in that, okay, which is a learning platform, come ERP, come examination system, where if I have to take a class, let's say today I was just taking a class in contemporary business for first year. So I have to just log in into that application. I see the timetable. I just say I have to click that start my class, host my class. I automatically get into Zoom. That's already programmed into it. Okay. Students log in. So currently we are doing hybrid classes. The students physically in the campus, about 60% students are, my students are in campus, 40% are still at home. So they connect online, students are in campus, they are in classroom. The Zoom session is on, it gets automatically recorded, students can view that later on. I can put all my resources on the PPTs, articles which I want them to read on the same platform which is available to them. Examinations are held on the same platform, integrated backend with Moodle. Okay, ERPs, sending them emails, all of that is integrated together in one platform, which makes the life very, very easy. Although all those logistics of online teaching becomes much more simpler for student as well as faculty members and our backend academic administration also. So that's one key thing. Of course, the highlights of our program is about deep connect with industry. Our students go through a full 6 months industry practice in the 8th semester, which is the last semester. The kind of courses which we have put in, there's a huge amount of flavor, not just flavor, I think it's deeper than flavor, of technology. And you would know that digital transformation, digital economy is where the whole world is going through. And even if it's a manufacturing company or a services company, technology has become an integral part of those firms and industries. So we provide a good understanding to our students of how to use those technologies, how they can be used in industry, and how they can use the power of those technologies to create new business models, solutions for their customers or in the firms that join in. Or if they want to start up, we encourage startups as well for our students. And they can work with actual technologies then to create new products, services, and so on and so forth. So that's one very strong part which we have actually strengthened over the last 2 years. So business analytics, AI, ML, while they'll not become experts in AI, ML, because that's what we do for our BTech students, but our MBA students would have enough practice and understanding to see how to apply AI, ML, algorithms, data analytics in creating new business products and services.